time.
There's only 24 hours in a day. So do you really have enough time to make it as a music producer?
We all know it takes hours and hours of practice, finishing track after track, learning our tools, perfecting our craft, networking and building our contacts. There's a lot to take on, and when you stack it up with the other things in your life, like work, time for your partner, your family, your social life, hobbies, your favourite TV series,
it seems impossible to fit it all in.
It's so easy to feel overwhelmed and hopeless when your best intentions of hitting the studio just never seem to come good, and to look at successful producers and think they have so much more time to spend on their music.
If only I had that time. But that's just an illusion. They have the same 24 hours in their day that you do. It's what they do with them that counts.
Steve Jobs once said, "People think that focus means saying yes to the things you've got to focus on, but that's not what it means at all. Focus means saying no to the 100 other good ideas there are."
Because saying yes to one thing means saying no to something else. And if you have too many priorities, then really, you have no priorities at all.
Being successful means sacrificing the things that don't serve you well, and instead putting all of your effort, commitment and dedication into the things that do. It means creating the routines and habits that ensure you reach your goals and become the person you aspire to be. It means putting your priorities first and committing to the things that matter most to you. And above all, it means designing your life so you can be proud of what you accomplish and not look back full of regret. So let me ask you, what matters most to you now? Who do you want to become? What goals are you chasing down? We all have 24 hours in our day. What will you choose to do with yours?